Hello, long time no see. Today I going teach you how to take a screenshot in your laptop or PC. Let's start.
Method 1. Using Printscreen key. First, on your keyboard press the PrtSc key. After that, open your Start menu, find for Paint app. Then, press Ctrl+V to paste the screenshot. If you want to save the screenshot, just press the above Save button. Last, choose the location you want to save. Done Method 1. Method 2. Automatically save to files. Now on your keyboard press Win plus Printscreen button. You will saw the screen will get dark in second. Now let go find the saved screenshot. Open your File Explorer. Then click the Pictures folder. Find your screenshot folder. You will saw your saved screenshot here. Done Method 2. Method 3. Use Snipping tool app. Open your Start menu. Search for Snipping tool. And open it. Now, click the New button, or you also can use the shortcut button, which is Win plus Shift plus S. Now snip the area you want to snap. Last, at the above menu, you can choose you want to copy or save to your local device. Done Method 3. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive the latest video. See you all in the next video. Bye.